Let us now see how we can create drop-down lists in Microsoft Excel. So let's type Excel and open the Excel app, and we will open the workbook we created first, drop list. We did it in the previous video. So let's right click here and create and rename the sheet to questions or question. Then create another sheet by clicking the plus, then go to rename, and let's name these options. So we want the options to be here, and we want the options to be here, we want the questions to also be here. So let's type a question here. Choose an option from the list. Choose an option from the list. Let me expand here. Let me increase the font size a bit, and also let me expand it. Good. We want the options to appear here. So the options will appear here. Now how do we do that? Let's go to options sheet, then we'll type the options here. So the options are Asia, then we have America, we have Europe, and we have Africa. So these are going to be our options. So here's the question, and we want the drop down list to appear here. So we select that cell and go to data and go to data validation. So right here we click here and choose list, then click here. We now select the sheet, so we select options sheet, then we choose the range, so we select the range here, click here again, then this is what you're going to do, input message. But before that, you can decide to uncheck that to ignore the blank if you don't want to receive any answer, or if you want to leave something blank. So over here we can give the title continent, then we give this message, choose an option. Then we can also give a message for error, so invalid when it enters something which is not valid. Then we are telling him to choose an option from the list. So you can click OK. So here we have the drop down list on this question sheet, where you can click and choose from the list, drop down list. So that is how we create drop down lists in Microsoft Excel.